Good morning, students. Today we have to see Unit 4 Electricity. In thermal physics lesson, you learned about temperature, thermal energy, effect of heat energy, fundamental law of gases, and ideal gas equation. In this class, you will learn about introduction of electricity, electric current, and electric circuit. Electricity deals with the flow of electric charges through a conductor. What is electric charge? Inside each atom, there is a nucleus with positively charged protons and charged electrons orbiting the nucleus. Electric charge is measured in Coulomb C. Any charge q, small q, has to be an integral multiple n, small n of this one. So q equal to n e. Here n is a whole number, then e is a electric charge. Electric charge value is equal to 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. The usage of electric current in our day-to-day life is very important and indispensable. What is the meaning of indispensable means? It's a needful one or it's a necessary one. Yes. It is used in houses, educational institutions, hospitals, industries, etc. Therefore, its generation and transmission becomes a very crucial aspect of our life. So, electricity is very needful one. Then electric current, the motion of electric charges, electrons, through a conductor, example copper wire, will constitute an electric current. What is electric current means? The motion of electric charges through a conductor will constitute an electric current. When the charged object is provided with a conducting path from higher potential to lower potential region. This is similar to the flow of water through a channel or flow of air from a region of high pressure to a region of low pressure. So, electrons always flows from high to low. Then here you see the diagram. So, electric current. HEP means higher electric potential, then LEP means lower electric potential. The electric current passes from the positive terminal. So this is the positive terminal. It is higher electric potential of a battery to the negative terminal, that is lower electric potential through a wire. So இங்க இருக்கிற electrons என்ன ஆகுது higher potential இருந்து lower potential க்கு flow ஆகுது. Okay. So plus indicate HEP, higher electric potential, or negative lower electric potential. Then definition of electric current. If a net charge q passes through any cross section of a conductor in time t, then the current flowing through a conductor is I equal to q by t. We need the electric current means, what is the formula? I equal to q by t. Here q is the quantity of charge passing through a cross section of a wire, then t is the time. See the diagram. Normally the potential difference is produced by a cell or battery. When the electrons move, we say that an electric current is produced. So electric current is formed by moving electrons. So electrons move from higher potential to lower potential. You see the diagram. This is a simple battery. Battery provides the potential difference. So there is a movement of ions in electrolyte. So here there is a movement. So electric current is often termed as current, and it is represented by the symbol I. It is defined as the rate of flow of charges in a conductor. That means I equal to q by t. Then next one, SI unit of electric current. SI unit of electric current is ampere. The standard SI unit for current is ampere with the symbol A. Then what is the formula? I equal to q by t. Here I is a electric current, q is a electric charge, then t is a time. The current flowing through a conductor is said to be 1 ampere. When we get 1 ampere means when a charge of 1 coulomb flows across any cross section of a conductor in 1 second. There is a flow of charges 1 coulomb per second means we get 1 ampere. Then ammeter is the device instrument used to measure the strength of the electric current in an electric circuit. The ammeter is connected in series in a circuit. That is very important. Ammeter is always connected in series in a circuit where the current is to be found. Then we move to the next one, electric circuit. To represent an electrical wiring or solve problem involving electric circuits, the circuit diagrams are made. The four main components of any circuits, namely cell or battery. So here we use 6 volt, a combination of battery, cell or battery, connecting wire, which wire we use, that is the connecting wire, then switch, so key, switch, then resistor, okay, 4 ohms. An electric circuit is a closed conducting loop or path. Closed means there is from the positive to negative, there is a continuous connection which has a network of electrical components through which electrons are able to flow. So electrons always flows from higher potential to lower potential. Okay. This path is made using electrical wires so as to connect an electrical appliance to a source of electric charges. So here we get the electrons from the battery. The potential difference is made with the help of battery. Then the movement of the positive charge is called as conventional current. The flow of electrons is termed as electron current. In electrical circuits, the positive terminal is represented by a long line and a negative terminal is a short line. So here we indicate plus indicate positive, then this small line indicate negative terminal. By convention, the direction of current is taken as the direction of flow of positive charge. Positive charge in the side move ஆகுது, எந்த direction move ஆகுதோ அதுதான் என்னது direction of current. Or opposite to the direction of flow of electrons. Flow of electrons is opposite to the direction of positive charge. Thus, the electric current passes in the circuit from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. That is very important. Current always flows from positive terminal to negative terminal. Then electrical components. See the diagram. The electric circuit given in figure consists of different components such as battery, combination of 4 cells, a switch and a bulb. All these components can be represented by using certain symbols. It is easier to represent the components of a circuit using the respective symbols. So components of a circuit, first we will discuss about the resistor. Is used to see the diagram. So this is the symbol of resistor component used to fix the magnitude to the current through a circuit. So we can also control the amount of flow of current in circuit with the help of resistance. Such components used for providing resistance are called as resistors. The resistors can be fixed or variable. Resistors எப்படி இருக்கலாம், it is a fixed value or it's vary. Fixed resistors have fixed value of resistance. The resistance value is fixed one. Then we move to the next one, variable resistor. Variable resistors like rheostats can be used to obtain desired value of resistance. So we need some, for example 4 ohms means we take the 4 ohms with the help of rheostat. We can adjust the rheostat means we get the fixed or varied type of values. Then next one, ammeter. Ammeter connected in series in a circuit. The current flows through a red terminal of ammeter. You see, this is ammeter. So the current flows to the red terminal, that is the positive red terminal, and leaves from the negative. So இங்க உள்ள போயிட்டு எது வழியா வருது, negative end வழியா it leaves from the negative, that is black terminal. So this is the simple, it identify the ammeter. What is the use of ammeter? Means it is used to measure the current, electric current measure பண்றதுக்கு. Okay. Then next one, voltmeter. Voltmeter is an instrument. See the diagram. This is voltmeter diagram. It is an instrument used to measure the potential difference. So potential difference V equal to W by Q. Here W is the work done, then Q is the charge. So this is the symbol for voltmeter. It is used to measure the potential difference. To measure the potential difference across a component in a circuit, the voltmeter must be connected in parallel connection. You see, in the before one, it is a series connection, ammeter. So here we take continuous connection, that is the series connection. So positive to positive, then negative to negative. But in the next one, it is a parallel connection. You see, positive to positive, then negative to negative. It is a parallel connection. Suppose we want to measure the potential difference across a light bulb. So in the bulb இடையில இருக்கிற potential difference we need means we connect the voltmeter in parallel connection. So what is the use of voltmeter? It is used to measure the potential difference. The next one, galvanometer. It is a symbol G. G indicate galvanometer. Okay. It is used to indicate the direction of current. In which direction the current is flows in the wire. So we can check with the help of galvanometer. Then the next one, diode. So it's contain anode and cathode. Anode is a positive, then cathode is a negative. It's a symbol of a simple diode. Light emitting diode, LED short name. It's a semiconductor device that emits visible light when an electric current passes through it. When we passes the electric current to the positive to negative terminal means it identified or visible the light when an electric current passes through it. Then next one, ground connection. It is a very important connection. The ground connection from the earth wire serves as a protective conductor which saves us from electric shocks, used to provide protection to the electrical components. So in the earth ground connection, எல்லா metallic bodies metallic appliances ஓட connect ஆயிருக்கும். It also serves as a reference point to the measure the electric potential. So next one, that's a recap. So we first discuss about the introduction of electricity, then electric current, definition of electric current. What is the electric current? I equal to Q by T. So rate of change of charge. Okay, that is the electric current. Then SI unit of electric current. SI unit of electric current is ampere. Yes. Then what is the device used to measure the electric current? Means ammeter. Then electric circuit, electrical components. We see different types of electrical components. For example, we see about the resistor. It's a variable resistor. Ammeter to measure the current. Then voltmeter to measure the potential difference of the circuit. Then galvanometer, it is indicate the direction of current. Then a diode. Diode means it's a LED light emitting diode. Then we last discuss about the ground connection. So thank you students.